Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to unsubscribe a YouTube channel. My name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. So friends, if you want to unsubscribe any YouTube channel and you do not know how to do it, then you have reached to the right place. I am going to show you how to unsubscribe from any YouTube channel, okay? So let's go ahead. So to unsubscribe a YouTube channel on your YouTube app, towards the bottom right side, you will see an option for subscription. Click on that subscriptions. Once you do that, on the top, you will see all the channels that you have subscribed. And if you see towards the right side, you need to click on all. Once you click on all, you will see all the channels that you have subscribed to. Now, in order to unsubscribe any YouTube channel, what you need to do is you need to find that YouTube channel over here. Let's say, for example, if I want to unsubscribe this TV6 Pro, then what I need to do is I need to click on this down arrow button just next to the bell icon. Once I do that, I'll get three options over here: all, personalized, none. That is for notifications. But if you see at the bottom, it says unsubscribe. Once you click on unsubscribe, this particular channel would be unsubscribed. Alright, so this is very simple. How can you unsubscribe a YouTube channel? If you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.